Hello guys, this is third layer of the Rubik's Cube. Have been watched first or second layer, you have to click on my left and the right side. You can watch those videos too. So we're going for the third layer. This is the final layer. We have to be more concentrated, plus be more careful on this layer because the steps are a bit difficult, but you can study. But there's one thing I'll tell you what. Some steps have some steps are repeating more than once, which makes it easier for you guys. We have completed the second layer. In the third layer also, plus formation is very important. Now we might get, after completing the second layer, the bottom layer green as maybe one green or like this, but we have to only worry about three things. It's this dot, only one green, maybe it would be like L shape, and it would be like minus shape, maybe we get plus also. So what you have to do for all these things, we have to do one step till we get plus. Okay, so what step we have to do is that if we get only one green in the center, and this doesn't count, in this plus formation only it counts. So you have to do is that move this towards your right, pull this up, move this towards your left, pull this down, move this back, then take this back. After doing that, we'll get this L formation. So you have to face the bottom towards us, this side, and the other side towards the right side. This is must. And we have to do the same step again. Move this towards right, pull this up, move back, pull this down, move back. You got that. So after a L formation, we get a minus formation. That is this same step again. So you have to face the Rubik's Cube towards the like this minus shape, like this. Okay. Then same step. Move this towards the right, pull this up, move this towards the left, pull this down, come back. Yes. Now we got that plus formation. This is a plus formation. So we have completed another step in the Rubik's Cube. This is a basic of Rubik's Cube. After doing this plus formation, you have to look at the colors. You have to make the center colors, that plus formation, these colors to the correct positions. So when we do this, we have to make sure that you have got the right colors, at least two right colors you have to get. You will get at least two right colors. So here in this case we will see, we are getting yellow and orange. So you have to make the yellow and orange color, orange over here, yellow over here. You have to face towards the left side. Then what you have to do is that, do this step. Yes, now we have completed and made all the correct center points in the correct color. Okay, that step is very important. You have to study that step. And if we won't get color adjacent to each other, we might get colors opposite to each other. So just take the opposite colors, just face it like this, do the same step again. That is what we'll get. Then we'll get this. Now we have to complete the corners. These are corners. So we have to find the corners which is similar to the sides. So in this case, we don't have any corners which is same in color. If we don't have, we have to do this. We have to pull this left side up, move towards the right, pull this right side up, move towards the right, come make this down, pull this back, make this down. And if you check, maybe we'll find one side in the same color. See this side, we have yellow over here, green over here, red over here. So all the colors are same. And again we have to do, hold this arm, take back. I think we have got everything color. See, when we see orange here, it is there, green is over here, white is over here. Here yellow is over here, green is over here, orange is over here. Yellow is over here, or red is over here, green is over here. So every color is at the right positions. If you have got one correct positioning of the corner, you have to take that corner, put it on the left side of our hand, do the same step which I have done for plus formation, that is this. This one and plus this one, same step only. So we get two sides, two corners in the right position, but wrong direction. We have to make it correct. So we have to face the green, which is on the center, which is on the back. That green we have to face on the right side of my hand, right side. And same step again. Pull this up, move towards the right, pull this down, move back, pull this up, move back, and pull this down. Pull this up, move towards the right 2 times, pull this down, then move here back, pull this up, here we did, pull this down. Now we have done all this side and we have to complete this. So in this case you might get the whites which is over here and here, sorry, green over here, maybe over here. So again the same step only we have to do, but 2 times you have to do. But this case we have already green over here, so we have to do only 1 time. Step is this, same step. So we have completed the Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys understood my reaction and all those solving steps. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a difficulty in lubrication of your cube and it is not moving smoothly, I have a method which I have put in a video. You can watch this by clicking this link, and you can know how to remove and grease it properly. So I hope you guys watch that too. Have a great Rubik's Cube with smooth conditioning and all, without any cost. Thank you. Do like and subscribe.